Hot single here looking to mingle? No, not me. This romance scam. Hi everyone, we are One Connect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow aiming to empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. Have you ever fallen for someone who just seems a little too perfect? You are not alone. Romance scammers build emotional connection fast. They often pretend to be successful, caring, or in a crisis, and then ask for money and gift cards. The damage can not only be financial, it can also be emotional, and millions of people get scammed every year just about. In this video, we will teach you how to protect yourself this Valentine's Day with real practical steps, including real life tutorials you can follow today. Red flags often include someone who falls in love very quickly, avoids video calls, has dramatic emergencies, or asks for money, especially gift cards or cryptocurrency. Always verify the photos, save their profile image, go to Google Images and click the camera icon and upload the photo. If the image appears on multiple profiles or stock photo websites, that is a major warning sign. Never share sensitive information like your address, ID, password, or one-time security codes. The person you are talking to is the one to send you bankrupt. Need help developing your digital skills or growing your online business? Get in touch with our staff for more personalized support. Discover more expert tips and in-depth tutorials on our website. Link is in the description below. Always keep conversations on the dating platform. Avoid moving to private messaging apps. If something feels off, use the block and report feature. They are there to protect you. If a story doesn't feel right, pause. Think with your brain. Talk to a friend or a family member. Scammers, they rely on secrecy. Real relationships don't. We'd love to hear from you. Share your stories of learning new tech skills and tell us how One Connect programs have impacted you. Your story could save someone else's life and stop them from making a big mistake this Valentine's Day. Staying safe online is about awareness, confidence, and learning new digital skills. And you don't have to be alone. Unlike this 21-year-old this Valentine's Day. Get in touch with our staff for more personalized support. Check our website out in the description below. Learn in-demand skills like coding basics, social media marketing, and more with our free and paid online courses. Our digital products are both informative and educational ebooks, website templates, designing elements, books, and more. Link is in the description below. Help us spread the word by sharing this video with your friends and family. Like and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and in-depth tutorials, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single upload from One Connect. Thanks for watching and have a great Valentine's Day.